Hello everyone, my name is Chris Lucius and I'm an imaging and microscopy specialist at BioTek Instruments, and today we'll discuss saving and exporting image files in Gen5. Gen5 offers a range of tools to manage and share your images, and today I'm going to explain several topics related to that. First, I'll discuss where your raw grayscale images are saved and how to move them. Next, I'll talk about saving individual color images, which are overlays of those raw grayscale images. And then I will discuss how to batch export those color images. And finally, I'll talk about creating a single zip file that contains a complete archive of all the images in your experiment and the data that goes along with them. All images taken by BioTek imagers are saved as 16-bit grayscale TIFFs. Each one of these TIFF files is 2.2 megabytes, which, as you can imagine, adds up pretty quickly in experiments involving microplates where often 3 or more images are taken per well. Gen5 saves the raw TIFF files to a user-specified folder on the hard drive. It's important to note that the images themselves are not saved within Gen5 experiment or manual mode files. Rather, the Gen5 software looks for where the images are located on the hard drive. Therefore, if you were to move your folder to another location on the hard drive or to an external drive, you'd have to go into the Gen5 software and specify where that folder was moved to. In addition to grayscale TIFFs, Gen5 allows the user to export color images for presentation and publication purposes. These color images can be saved in a range of file formats, including PNG, JPEG, and BMP. The user can save individual files, or they can use the batch export feature to export all of the images associated with a Gen5 experiment. Finally, Gen5 offers a zip file creation feature, which allows you to create a zip file that contains all of the images associated with an experiment and the experiment file itself. This makes it convenient to archive data and share files with your collaborators.